Tissue regenerative therapy uses a small sample of the patient's own blood to harvest high platelet concentrated plasma, which we refer to as liquid gold. This is then injected into the target tissue, relying on platelets to release their special growth factors, of which there are actually 126. This in turn recruits the body's regenerative stem cells to rejuvenate and repair the target tissue. For example, if liquid gold is injected into the skin, growth factors from the platelets stimulate new collagen and elastin formation to help repair the skin. This treatment can be applied to any area in the body to stimulate healing and has been used for over a decade in other areas of medicine, such as orthopaedics, maxilo-facial surgery, and even sports medicine. At our clinic, we use liquid gold for a variety of applications, including skin rejuvenation, acne scarring, hair loss, and even for sexual health problems for both men and women. Tissue regenerative therapy for hair loss offers a non-surgical, non-hormonal, and totally natural treatment for hair loss or hair thinning. When the patient's own concentrated platelets are injected into the target tissue, for example into the skin of the hair, a healing process is triggered that restores blood flow and improves the health and function of hair follicles during their growth phase and extends the duration of this growth phase. I like to talk about alternative hair loss treatments with my clients. One of these is minoxidil. It's a topical treatment which ultimately aims to improve blood supply to existing hair follicles. The challenge is it only works when you use it. It can be very tiresome and annoying to apply twice a day, and it typically takes 4 to 6 months to see results. I also like to talk about an oral medication that's available called finasteride. It's good specifically for male and female pattern baldness, where aging and genetic factors lead to miniaturized smaller hairs and hair loss due to exposure to a hormone called DHT. It's not indicated for other types of hair loss due to other causes. It is a hormonal treatment and it therefore has possible side effects. These treatments are effective for only certain types of hair loss, so you often need to come at it from different angles to have the best chance of regrowing your hair. Liquid gold gives your current hair follicles the best chance of surviving as long as possible, and it continues to prevent hair loss well beyond the initial treatment due to the regeneration of important connective tissue, such as blood vessel formation and collagen formation. Another option to help restore areas with hair loss would be hair transplantation. Interestingly, one would still need a healthy blood supply for hair transplantation to be long-lasting and effective. With tissue regenerative therapy for hair loss, we offer both Regen and the Pure PRP2 system with EMsite, the latter system giving you the ability to get a super high concentration of platelet rich plasma. The treatment is quick and comfortable and low risk. We start with a consult with you, we then take your blood, and then we spin it off in one of these systems and inject it back in with minimal discomfort. Over time, we've developed our own technique using an anesthetic block to minimize discomfort while avoiding negatively affecting the platelet-rich plasma. There's typically no downtime with this treatment. We do recommend 3 sessions initially 1 month apart, and then a top-up of 1 treatment a year is recommended. The most important decision you can make when you first detect hair loss is early medical intervention. The goal is to prolong the hair follicle life cycle and enable regrowth. Once the hair follicle has died, it cannot be repaired and hair loss will be permanent. From my own experience in our clinic, my patients have been really happy with the liquid gold treatment for hair loss. The majority of my clients are seeing improvements in hair density and retention within the first couple of months, with some of my clients even experiencing hair regrowth in sparse areas.